This is my favorite steak. Let me show you how I make it. I season my steak with a little bit of adobo. If you don't have that, you could use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Don't use too much because we're going to use some other seasonings. Add some black pepper and some oregano. I'm going to add some jarred garlic because I'm going to use quite a bit and it has a milder taste and it's easier. I'm adding soy sauce to create a nice marinade. And for 2 steaks, I squeeze half of a lemon on. I sprinkle it with a little sugar. This cuts the acidity from the soy sauce and the lemon, but this is optional. And then I flip it over and season it again on the other side with the same ingredients. I usually marinate this for an hour or so and flip it back and forth occasionally. If you're in a rush, this is a delicious, flavorful marinade and you could grill it right away. Grill or broil this for about 7 minutes on each side or until your desired doneness. Serve this with your favorite sides and enjoy. I'd love to hear how it came out for you. Please leave a comment below. Please like, subscribe, and share. Take care till next time. Happy cooking. Thanks for watching.